This Model X that we own, free and clear, it's all paid for in cash. We don't have any more monthly payments on it. It's still expensive to keep running on the road. Hi, my name is Ariel Arevalo. In one of my previous videos, I shared to you the maintenance costs of our Tesla Model X, and over the course of our ownership, we have incurred around $16,000 of post-warranty expenses from 80,000 kilometers all the way up to 284,000 kilometers. Now, we haven't been driving the car a lot as we have been driving the Model 3 more, and we have moved closer inner city, so we do less driving overall versus before when we were living outside of the main city of Calgary. But we have only racked up around 2,000 to 3,000, just under 3,000 kilometers from the last video that I have made with our maintenance costs. And guess what? It looks like we're getting another big bill. So I'm gonna still see the alternatives, but it seems like we have a rather large repair bill of $3,500, mostly in terms of parts, and it's the rear air suspension modules. So our front air suspension modules went, and that cost us $4,900. Now it will cost us a whopping $3,500 to get the rears done. Looking on ChatGPT, it might be a calibration that is needed, but we have to brace for the worst. So in this video, all I wanted to do is share an update. If you are looking for a used Model X, just be aware that these repair bills can be huge. We recently acquired another car. It's a weekender car. It's a Ferrari 348. I'm looking at the service invoice and what the repairs cost and a regular, not really a repair, even a regular service, how much it costs. And looking through the invoice, I can show you that it went all the way up to $29,000 that the previous owner went through before he sold the car. Well, in my opinion, it's a dealership just wanting to make sure the car is in tip-top shape before they put their name on it. But Tesla Model X ownership isn't that far off in cost in terms of maintenance than Ferrari ownership. But then there's the fuel cost to consider. But then again, would you rather be driving a Tesla Model X or a Ferrari? That's quite easy for me to answer. Alright, to be quite frank, I'm enjoying our Ferrari more than our Tesla Model X at this point. But then again, we use our Ferrari just in the summer, and the Tesla Model X is going to be our primary winter beater as it has the four-wheel drive. And we're not driving the Ferrari at all in the winter time. Right now, our daily driver is the Model 3, rear-wheel drive, standard range, lithium iron phosphate, and that would cost so much less to maintain than a Tesla Model X. So if you were thinking of having a low-cost daily driver, if you have the cash to pay for a Model X, just be aware that even if you own it free and clear in cash and it's an older car, if you're buying, let's say, a 2017, 2018 model and it's approaching the end of its warranty or the battery and drive unit warranty, just be aware that a battery replacement on that car at Tesla itself will cost around $20,000. But if you have a third-party facility like My Garage Auto and Tire, they are able to do repairs of batteries. Let's say if there's just one damaged cell in the battery, Tesla will recommend a replacement of the whole thing. But if you go to My Garage Auto and Tire or any other EV repair facility that specializes in this sort of thing, they are able to do these repairs for a fraction of a cost. So always budget and always have some extra cash on hand if you are going to buy a used Tesla Model X. Or better yet, don't buy a used Tesla Model X. I don't think I can recommend it wholeheartedly. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful. If you liked it, please hit that like button, subscribe for more, comment down below, and if you have any other suggestions for videos or questions that I may be able to answer via video, feel free to comment it down below. And if you haven't watched that video outlining my Tesla Model X repair costs from the end of warranty at 80,000 kilometers all the way to 284,000 kilometers, click right here and I'll see you on the other side.